Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos, Hacking the Sony PlayStation Mini, Part 4. Today I'm going to show you the third method of adding retro games through RetroArch. This is the fastest method by far, so let's get started. With my portable hard drive plugged into my computer, I'm going to use PSP Games as the example again, like I did in the last video. Let's say I just added all these PSP games to my hard drive. I'm going to open up the desktop version of RetroArch on my computer. I'm going to go to Load Core, Download a Core, and then I'm going to find the one for PSP. There it is. I'm going to click on it. It says I already have it because I do, but if I didn't, it would download it for me. Now I'm going to click on Show Desktop menu. It's going to open another window. Here is that window. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to right click in here, new playlist. I'm going to call it Sony-PlayStation Portable. You have to make sure you get the name correct. We're going to right click on this box and click on Add Folder. And I'm going to find where all the PSP ROMs are on my portable hard drive. There they are. Select folder. From here, I'm going to have to change the database to Sony PlayStation Portable and the extensions. This is very important. So I want to see what my extensions are of my games. I have .cso, .iso, .iso in all caps. So that's what I'm going to put in here. So .cso space, .cso in all caps, .iso in all caps, and just to be safe, I'm going to put .iso in all small letters. That should be it. So let's see what happens. I have 592 files in that folder. I'm going to click OK. It loaded up 589. So something's off here. Let's figure it out. So back to where my ROMs are. I've got a TXT folder, an XML folder, and a PBP folder. So I'm missing the PBP. And those two other files, those extensions don't matter. So I should have 590 games in total. So let's go to Edit, space, PBP. Okay. And I'm going to need to refresh this. So right click, Add Folder, find that PSP folder again, select folder, hit OK. 590, there we go. So all those games are now found and they're in a playlist. So let's find that playlist. I can close this. And we're going to find RetroArch on our computer. Go into playlists. There is PlayStation Portable. So I want to bring that over to my hard drive. So go into RetroArch, playlists, drag it over. It's going to ask me to replace because I have one already, so sure. And now I need to make some changes. So I'm going to open with Notepad++, just like I did in the previous video. I need to get rid of these backslashes and this F drive. So search, replace. So I'm going to replace the two backslashes at first with a /, replace all. And now I'm going to replace the F directory. So F:, and I want to replace it with / media. Replace all. That's done. So now I want to make sure I save this. So File, Save. And that's really it. We can close all this and let's head over to the PlayStation and see if it worked. So I'm going to hit select. Select an L2. Go to PlayStation Portable. 590 games. Worked like a charm. So that's really it. This is by far the fastest way to add retro games to your PlayStation Mini. Thanks for watching.